everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, motherhood lovers, for always coming back, clicking my video, watching it. Yes, thank you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Choice, a Nigerian immigrant mother of 2 beautiful kids and a cute husband. We all live in Bremen, Germany. And please, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload video, you will be the first to know. So today we are doing a licky itty chewy chewy mukbang with eba. Hey, this is white gari, soured white gari eba, and with ogbono soup. Oh, this ogbono soup we have. Let me wash my hands. We have cow leg, some fish. We have stockfish, beef. But more inside. See, I see the lololo. Hey, if you know, say you get food for house, go take am now. And hungry they catch you. Go take am. May you join me. If you know, say you know they hungry, sit down, they look me. And if you know, say na my food they hungry, you come and join me. I hope you enjoy this mukbang, and I have here my water. So as we are eating, we'll be gisting and we'll be licking it. I like eba so much. It's my favorite swallow. I don't like pounded yam or semo. If you're a lover of eba, that's gari, write it in the comment section. I eat semo, pounded yam, fufu, plantain fufu once in a while, but this is my favorite. Eba gari, and it must be white gari that is sour. That is Jebu gari. So if you like eba, put it in my comment section. And I love ogbono soup and okra. Hey, join me. How na dey? How are you guys preparing for Christmas? How are you guys preparing for Christmas? We are not doing too much for Christmas. But we are going to be cooking. But here in Germany, we celebrate Christmas. We celebrate Christmas 24th of December. That is when people eat, visit, or will come to your house, you visit people. Why 25th we are sleeping? Or doing something, but it's 24th here, you know. So I'll be I think on the 25th. This stockfish my husband buy from Napoli. Too sweet. Sorry, on the 24th we'll be taking the kids out to the waterfront in Grupplingen. If you stay in Bremen, you will know Grupplingen. Just take them out to have some fun. Then we'll eat somewhere in McDonald's or pizza shop. You know? So, my 2 sons' birthday is this month. Brian is on the 31st of December. Someone was telling me, story about that. Oh, please, Choice, make a cream review. Mona fair wait, make the cream work first now. If the cream don't work, I go do review. If they work small, we know they rush. Make my skin fair blade, then I will come do the complete review of my complete set of products that I use for my skin. But for now, they patient. You know what I'm saying? If we want to do something, we they come out with authentic. I roast the fish in the oven. Then this black fish, I roast Titus fish in the oven. But my husband bought black fish from Italy. This catfish, dry one. In where I come from, they call it a bavaria. If you are from Benin, oh yeah, confirm. No soup where you go put a bavaria, put where no go sweet. Now stew, any kind of soup. That fish, it is sweet. Do you like draw soup? My kids don't eat African food. They don't like my stew because it's too spicy. So I cook tomato stew. I cook their stew separate. But if I thought they want to eat soup, let it be ogbono or okra. They would try to eat small. So if you know you like okra, it passed my throat. Now I know it pass my throat. You know saying if you dey eat draw soup like ogbono, you go dey do lele o about they go well with ogbono. You go dey do lele o. You know the cake that Nkechi Eze, God bless you, sis. We made the cake. I'll be taking some Capri Soul and I'll be taking some presents to the kindergarten. You know? The person that is making the cake said I should come and take it on Sunday evening. So, I might stretch my leg. Yeah, the food go well. And they are going to be singing for Melvin. They're going to play German song for him. And he's going to be happy, dance. And I told them to make a lot of photos. I don't know if they're going to make video. So, this cow leg. The cow leg, is soft. I cook them very, very soft. Kai. And the funniest thing, me, I don't know how to eat plenty food. I don't know. I am not a foodie. I don't be tired. They say if I got my lizard fall from up, it go nod the head like this. That means I try not to do me. Rice soup. I mean their traditional soup. So this one really draw well. Make with the jayo na cruise na everybody dey. Water is life. For you to top am with water. So I cannot finish it. God's time, God's love. I cannot be like you when it comes to mukbang. God's time, God's love is they chop with family things. They finish their food for channel. I don't know, a professional mukbang channel. I won't watch them. I'll fetch chop. Because you people cannot give me heart attack. Mm. Mm. So, this is what I can do, oh, my people. If you say, sorry about that, I'll get body, she fat. Fat is fabulous. Not be because of food. Now ask God to create me. But we stay healthy and keep fit, eh? Very important. Mm? Mm. The catfish they go well. It's sweet there. Mm. Mm-hmm. So, I will see you guys on my next video. Huh? I'll see you guys on my next video, eh? I don't tire. May I drink water? May I drink water? Oh. I don't belly full. I'll go keep the soup for small container. Put her for fridge. Then I go wrap this eba. Later in the evening, I go knock her. I cannot waste food though. I cannot waste food. People are looking for this kind of food. I will wrap it. I will put this one in small container. I'll eat it later in the evening or tomorrow. Yes, dear, but you can still warm it. Those days, if they warm eba, they break eba, night the sweet pass. Confirm it in the comment section. Okay, guys. Bye. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas.